kind of hard to see what's going on here, but I looked here. There's no sparks jumping off the wires. I'm going to replace those. That's going to be my first thing. The MAF, I wish that one would have fit. I broke that bolt off, that little screw, trying to take that thing out and clean it. But it runs perfectly fucking good right now. But under 2,000 RPM, when you give it gas, it just stumbles really bad and it backfires. I'm going to check for vacuum leaks again, but then of course it might be the throttle position sensor, and then there's that code for oxygen sensor, and a misfire. But it doesn't sound like it's misfiring now. Like it's running on all 4 cylinders now. It sounds perfect now, same as it always did. So I don't know, like it's really odd. Just selective, not working, just underneath 2,500 RPM when you give it gas. Freaking annoying though, that's for sure.